Welcome to LaLas world. And hey there, productivity lovers. If you're looking for a free alternative to Microsoft Office in 2024, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share the top 5 free Office suites that will help you create, edit, and collaborate without spending a dime. Let's get started. Number 1, LibreOffice. First up, LibreOffice. If you're after a robust, fully featured Office suite, this is your go-to. It offers alternatives to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's completely open source and compatible with most Microsoft file formats, so you won't miss a beat when switching between them. Plus, it's regularly updated by a dedicated community. Number 2, Google Docs. Coming in at number 2, we have Google Docs. This is a cloud-based powerhouse and allows you to work from anywhere on a device as long as you have internet. Docs, sheets, and slides. You get it all for free. Number 3, WPS Office. WPS Office is in at number 3. With a slick design and features that mirror Microsoft Office, WPS is a fantastic choice if you're after a more familiar interface. The free version is packed with features and even includes cloud storage to save and share your files easily. Number 4, OnlyOffice. Number 4 is OnlyOffice, known for its clean, modern UI. OnlyOffice is perfect for teams that need collaboration tools combined with an easy-to-use Office suite. It supports Microsoft formats and integrates with a bunch of popular cloud services, making it great for teamwork. And last but not least, FreeOffice, number 5. Finally, we've got FreeOffice in 5th place. Lightweight and fast, FreeOffice provides an excellent experience, especially if you're working on older hardware or want something that won't hog system resources. Plus, it's compatible with all your Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. So there you have it, the top 5 free Microsoft Office alternatives for 2024, whether you need cloud collaboration with Google Docs or prefer the feature-rich experience of LibreOffice. These options have got you covered. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.